Hi, this is Lisa Hanfiletti from Empowered Business Entrepreneurs. And Alicia and I have gotten quite a few questions from you about how we're using the brand new JVPress launch blog theme in our own marketing. And so what I wanted to do was just show you exactly how we use it and why we like it so much. So what I want you to do is just take a look here at the theme itself and how we're using it for a coaching program that we've set up. And this is actually a membership. We've gotten some questions about what membership we use, and we use a wishlist member. There's actually a link over here if you want to check it out. It's a plugin for WordPress and it works very well, but it's separate from the JVPress. So if you want to create a membership site, you can do that with this theme. But this theme is really designed to launch products, and it's designed to look really sleek. If you're familiar with Kajabi, which is an all-in-one product launch blog system, which is super expensive, the JVPress is a great alternative, and that's why we promote it, and that's why we use it. So let me show you how we're using it right now for our own site. If you log into your WordPress, it'll look something like this in your dashboard, depending on what options you have showing here. And what I want to show you is if you go to Pages, and then you go to Add New, you'll see some of the options that you get with the JVPress theme. And this is, again, designed to launch a product. And the fun thing about this is it gives you the ability to use the power of social media to share your launch or your products with others. It's well integrated with Facebook and with Twitter in particular. But I want to show you the different templates that you have a choice of getting. And these are pre-launch templates that give you a sidebar. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. You can have a wide or a short header. You can also have a sales page. And the sales pages are great because when you want the buy now button or add to cart button to show up automatically, it will do it at a certain time that a video is playing. So I'm just going to grab one of these right here. So sales wide header. And when you scroll down, you can customize the banner, you can customize the background. So I'm just going to flip into ours right here and I'll show you exactly what I mean. This is black, but you can make that any color you want. This banner is one that I just created pretty much in Snagit and just added some pictures in, but you can create any kind of header you want, or you can use their default headers. You can change the navigation bar buttons on here to do anything you want. I actually have a sub menu in here, and you can do that as well and change those colors so they're really convenient for your visitors. I don't have a video on this particular page right here, but I'm going to show you that when you go to a page that you want a video on, you can have it nice and wide and you can get rid of that right hand sidebar. So here's an example of a page that has a video right at the top, and then it has all the details that I want at the bottom. And it includes actually another video right here for our coaching students to look at. So there's a great deal of ways that you can modify and change this. You can use it very much like a website or a blog, and then you can also have a section down below where you can have comments, feedback, questions, and then have people subscribe to those. So for us, it's a perfect thing for our membership. But again, this is really truly to launch particular products. So if I go back down to the sales page that I selected, I want to just show you some of the choices. Initially, your choices are all about colors, header and footer and links and things like that. And now you get down here, and this is really the fun part with this theme. You can enable video, and all you have to do is put in the video URL. And for me, for doing coaching, when we record our sessions, I used to have to change the format of the video and then convert it to something else, do flash video. And it was pretty much about 8-step process. And now all I have to do is upload it to Amazon S3. I get a link right there, and I pop it right into here, and boom. It creates that nice video that I just showed you. It's really simple. And then you get choices of whether or not you want it to play right away, or if you want it to have the play controls show up or not. It's super flexible. Here's the auto play or allow controls. You can add social media. So this is kind of fun. There's preset things for Facebook and Twitter, different sizes, different sets that you can utilize for that. But this is the really cool stuff. You have the ability to do a sales page where you type in the text, you upload the video using that video link, and now you can create different buy now buttons or purchase now or download now. And these are created very artistically, and so you can actually have these show up at a certain time within the video, which is really fun. There's the time selection right there. You can have a time delay. I don't know if you've noticed that in any launches these days, you're looking at a video and then suddenly, towards the end, you see an add to cart button show up at the bottom. Well, you can do that with this theme. There's truly a lot of versatility with this theme, and that's part of the reason that we like it so much, aside from the cost. So there's one other thing that I want to show you, and that is on the home page here right now, and this is going to change just because we're actually working on our sales video that's going to go right in here. You see I have a sidebar, an area of empty space right here set up. I don't have anything in there right now, but I just want to show you how easy this is to work with. If I go to dashboard again, and all I have to do is come down to appearance and widgets. Now, widgets are the things that go in the sidebar, and JVPress gives you some pre-formed widgets that you can just put into this section right here. So I have a page set that's a pre-launch plus the sidebar, so that's my widget right there. I can put anything I want in there, and I've gone ahead and I've created a couple different ones right here. So for instance, here is a YouTube video that I might want to show. So all I have to do is put that in that section right there. And this is a video that Dee did for us when we were at the EB Live Summit recently. And I can take it to a specific page, and I already have the URL right here. So I'm going to grab that, copy it, and put it right in there, and then hit save. But if I didn't have them already created, I could just grab it from over here. And then let's say I wanted Emma's little thing. I have that right there. Paste in that link, and I'll put Emma Tibbins right here. And let's just do one more. And I just grab this thing again, and it's going to already have filled in there the last thing that I've put in. And here I can take a look at all the pictures that I have, and let's do Elaine's here. Elaine Starling was also a wonderful speaker at our EBE Live Summit. And I'm going to put that same link in. And close this up. And now watch what happens when I go back. I'm going to click my home page again here. Now watch over here on this right hand side. And you see I have these very nice looking videos right here, and you click on Dee Dee's, and it takes us to that page that I just created, that I just put in there in the link, and you can see actually all the videos come to this particular page. So it's actually a very nice system. I love the versatility that you get, and if you're launching a product, this is really a great tool for you. So I encourage you to check out the JVPress launch theme, and if you just go to productlaunchblogs.com, so that's productlaunchblogs, plural.com, make sure that you watch the video that they show you for JVPress. And then what I want you to know is that I think just until Sunday the 7th, I believe that's right, I'm not sure, you can get a multi-system license, which means you can use this theme for multiple launches, multiple blogs, just for $77. It's a one-time fee. There's no membership. There's no ongoing costs. That's what I have. I have a multi-system license, so I can use it for upcoming launches that we're doing. And you could just use it for one product launch, and then you're done with it, and then you can go back to the next one and the next one. And that's kind of the value here, is you're trying to build anticipation for a launch, and you want to get interaction, you want to get people posting on Facebook. The other thing I didn't show you here is that on our homepage, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's a whole place to add Facebook comments. And if you notice, it will already, if the person is already logged into Facebook like I am right now, it'll automatically show up and prompt them to add a comment, and this will by default be checked to post it to their own Facebook page. So this is super valuable for launches. So again, go to productlaunchblogs.com, check out their video. Sean McAllister does a great job, and then make sure that you read the information here and go ahead and take advantage of that $77 before it goes up. I believe it's going to go up to $127 on Tuesday. All right, everyone, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me. I'll be happy to answer them. Have a great day.